What if an AI agent could earn you money while you sleep, and you built it in under an hour, with zero coding? I'm going to show you exactly how I built a passive income automation using GPT and free tools. Most people think passive income means dropshipping or affiliate marketing. But here's the real issue. Those methods still take tons of time. I wanted something smarter. So I used GPT-4 to build a custom AI agent that runs a content system, and I didn't write a single line of code. Here's how it works. 1. ChatGPT plans the content and writes the scripts. 2. ElevenLabs turns the scripts into high-quality voiceovers. 3. Pictory takes the voiceover and script and turns it into a ready-to-post video. 4. Zapier auto-posts it to YouTube and cross-promotes to Reddit and Twitter. 5. Notion tracks it all in a dashboard. No management needed. All of this runs autonomously, and I just check in once a week to update a few titles or ideas. My first video made $7 in 3 days. Not crazy money, but it's scaling. More importantly, it took me 1 hour to build, and now it works while I sleep. The best part? It costs less than $50 to set up. If you want to copy this exact setup, all the tools I used are linked below. Start with the free versions, or use the same AI stack I'm using. This is just the beginning. Welcome to the automation era.